stuff we learned about getting older is to get there. And once you get there, you're too tired to do anything with it. Felt like you could do so much once you got older, and then all of a sudden you got older, you don't have the energy to do what you thought you patience or any of that stuff. I mean, you get more pain so you can do less. Although you're trying to stay healthier. You do the best you can to stay healthier, but it just seems like time just takes it away from you. And you feel like you wish you had known more earlier so you could have done more sooner and hurt yourself less and been smarter about it.
My knee cracks, I broke a bone in my toe a while ago, but it still hurts when it gets cold. I'm getting old, the older moan, nowhere close to elderly, but I'm only getting closer, so much older than I used to be. But dreams remain proof to me that days are always beautifully constructed, epic poems. I'm just slow on the translation, I've been prone to hesitation since I first met my maker and found out that now and laters might be better eaten now. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but knowing that it's gotta end makes it hard for me to bring this candy to my mouth. I got a long commute, I waste a lot of time deciding what to do between today and when I die. When a sailor sees the sky, he sees the sea's humble reflection, so whatever way he goes, he's moving in the right direction. But what the hell do I know about that profession? When I see the sky, I don't know if it's greater than or less than or equal to the people moving under it. Indecision wins, so I sit and let the compass spin, whether a gust of wind or just a light breeze. I'm such a slight leaf tied to the end of this kite's string.
Life deals you whatever it deals you, and you gotta deal with it the way it is. You want to do this, and your body doesn't permit it, or you don't have the time, or you don't have the finances to, you wish you had done things better so that you'd be able to do things differently now, because you thought that it was going to get better. It doesn't get better, it just gets older. The toughest thing about getting older is you think that you know more than you knew. And the hardest thing about that is knowing that you didn't know it soon enough to do anything more about it. So, I don't know.